Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is my Lack Shelf full tour. So obviously I'm going to show you the before and after and show you the process and everything that's been going on. But first things first, I wanted to show you what kind of storage that I actually bought for my Lack Shelf. Now, I showed you what the Lack Shelf looks like and what kind of stuff that I was thinking about getting and doing towards the Lack Shelf. Now, I was actually, at first I was going to buy acrylics just to put onto the Lack Shelf, put like little perfume stands, you know, and then I changed my mind again. But now I know what I really want to do, and it's absolutely looking perfect and it's the way I want it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So I want to show you quickly the storages that I am actually going to put onto my Lack Shelf, which you guys will see the full look of it in a minute. But on my Lack Shelf, I've got loads of different things on there, and I keep looking on there every day and I keep thinking like there's just so much stuff on there. It needs to be organised a little bit more better. Like I said, I was going to put acrylics on, but then I changed my mind. So I actually bought these wicker baskets, really nice, on the Lack Shelf. These are the black wicker baskets. I will leave the link for these in the description box below. I bought these on Amazon. They come in a set of 3, as you can see here, and I can put loads of stuff in. If you guys remember when I done my dressing table tour, you guys would have seen the drawers that I've got, my acrylic drawers that I've got for my perfumes. Now, I wanted to keep them there, but I can actually put them in here on the Lack Shelf, so it'll make it a bit more nice and tidy and spacious as well. These wicker baskets come in 2 colours. They come in white and black. I got the black one, which looks perfect because obviously my Lack Shelf is white. That is how deep they are. They look so beautiful, and I cannot wait to actually store them onto my Lack Shelf. So first things first, I'm going to show you a before of what the Lack Shelf used to look like, and then straight after I'm going to show you the after, and then I'm going to explain what I've done in a little bit more detail. Excuse the clothes up here. I haven't had time to pop them away at the moment. So as you can see, I've got my Mrs. Potts and Chip down here, which are definitely staying because I've got nowhere else to put them, and I thought, you know what, they will just stay where they are. So in theory, because I've got 3 of these wicker baskets, I'm going to change that one and that one. So I'm going to be either taking them off completely, moving them about. I don't know where to move them just yet, but it will all come very clear in a second. So this is what I mean about having the baskets on the shelf. They look really nice. Obviously they've got nothing in them at the moment, which I will sort that out in due time. But I have kept obviously the Mrs. Potts and Chip, which you guys will see down there. I've kept them down there, and it's just got the 3 baskets there, and then I've got obviously them shelves up there. The one right at the very top, that is where my Rose Bell is. Rose Bear, sorry, not my Rose Bell, my Rose Bear, which is staying where it is because I've got nowhere else to put that. Then I have like a little shell light and my P. Louise box. Now, I really want to keep the P. Louise box, so I don't know whether to take the shell light off. I don't know, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort the shelves out, and then I'm going to show you what I've done as well. Okay, so this is what the Lack Shelf is looking like now. Obviously I've still kept my Rose Bear up the top because obviously I've got nowhere else to put it, so I thought I'll keep that as it is. Now I have moved things about. I've moved a couple of things, and yeah, some people might not agree with it. Some people might think, oh my god, you've only just moved from one shelf to another. But I've got nowhere else to put things. I've got no storage underneath the bed or whatsoever. So, and then the next shelf here, I have all of my little books. I've got my Prada, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Dior, Chanel. And then I've got my little body candle and my Only For You fake flower with my necklace inside the box that Nathan got me. Then this shelf here, it was a bit of a pain in the bum trying to sort this out, because obviously I've got this here. I'm not going to say it because she'll go on. This is handmade, that I actually made for my mum. I had to take the batteries out last night because the lights kept flickering on and off and it was irritating me, so I had to take the batteries out. But I wanted to keep that on the shelf anyway. And then this is our 1 year anniversary picture, so I thought I'd keep that there. I was originally going to pop that into a box into the spare room that I have, but I thought no, I want to keep that there because it looks really nice and it goes really well with the rose bell that I made as well. If anyone knows where that's from, please let me know in the comment section below. It's my favourite Disney film of all time. And then I have one of the baskets there, one there, and one there. All three are still empty at the moment. I've still got to pop things in, but that comes in due time. But I just wanted to show you guys what the baskets looked like. They look absolutely perfect with the white lac shelf. It goes really, really well. It makes them stand out as well. And I didn't really want white baskets because obviously, like you can see, the lac shelf is white. So I wanted black baskets. And it is so easy as well just to grab them. If I've got stuff in them, I can just go like that, you know, or just pull it out. I can get things. But yeah, I will pop stuff in them in due time. I just wanted to put them in place, show you guys what it looks like. And then at the bottom here, I've just got my Mrs. Potts and Chip. Again, I had nowhere else to put them. These are very fragile, so I thought I'd keep them on my lac shelf. Behind me there, I've actually put the photo frames of me and Nathan and me, my sister and my cousin on our windowsill. It's the only place I could pop them. I was originally going to pop them above my mirror, but I've already got 2 photo frames already up there and it would look too crowded. My P. Louise box I was actually going to keep, but do I really need to keep a box that is now empty, that's got nothing in it? No, I don't. I need to get rid of it. I don't want to keep things that's unnecessary. So I'm going to get rid of it. I'm just going to bin it. There's no point in keeping boxes that are empty and sitting on my shelf. So yeah, I've got the 3 wicker baskets on my shelf. Looking at my shelf now, it looks so more tidy. I love it. Obviously, I've got to fill the wicker baskets and pop things in, but that will come in time anyway. But I absolutely love it. It looks a little bit more tidier, a little bit more spacious, and I absolutely love them. The wicker baskets will be in the description box below for you guys. They are from Amazon. They come in 2 colours, white and black. I got the black ones, which looks so perfect and I love them. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, if you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.